What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi can't connect to this network error you are getting on your Windows PC. It's a common issue that can arise for a variety of reasons, such as incorrect network settings, outdated drivers, or even software conflicts. The first thing you want to try is forgetting the saved Wi-Fi password. This might sound simple, but it can resolve the issue. To do this, click on the Wi-Fi icon in your taskbar to open the Control Center pane and navigate to Wi-Fi. Right-click on your network connection and select Forget. This effectively resets the connection to your network, and you'll have to re-enter your password to connect again. If that doesn't work, the next step is to reset your Wi-Fi adapter. This can solve a variety of connection issues by refreshing your hardware's connection to the network. To do this, search for Device Manager in your Start menu search and hit Enter. In the Device Manager window, navigate to Network Adapters. Find your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Wait a few seconds, then right-click again and choose Enable Device. This process effectively resets the adapter. Another method involves rolling back your network adapter's driver to a previous version. Sometimes updates can introduce problems rather than fixes. In the Device Manager, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, select Properties, switch to the Driver tab, and click on Rollback Driver if the option is available. This can resolve issues introduced by a recent update. If rolling back didn't help or wasn't an option, try updating the driver manually. Still in the Device Manager, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Browse my computer for drivers. Then, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Make sure Show Compatible Hardware is checked and select a driver from the list. Click on Next when done. This method allows you to try different drivers that are compatible with your hardware, potentially solving the connection issue. Should these steps not resolve the issue, a network reset might be necessary. This will revert all network settings back to the default state, essentially giving you a clean slate. To perform a network reset, search for Network Reset in your Start menu search and hit Enter. Select Reset Now and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Remember, this will remove all network adapters and settings, so you'll need to reconnect your networks afterward. Lastly, if you're still facing issues, using commands can be a powerful tool. Open Command Prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD in your Start menu, right-clicking on Command Prompt and selecting Run as Administrator. Then, in the Command Prompt window, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter, followed by ipconfig/flushdns and enter again. These commands will reset your network socket and flush your DNS resolver cache, which can help resolve network connectivity issues. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.